I want you to take a look at the preparations on ground zero for that Amrit Snan on Mauni Amavasya, Basant Panchami, and we are told that Prime Minister Narendra Modi could also be here to take a dip around the 5th of February. More in this report.
A sea of devotees has started to converge at the Mahakumbh Nagar in Prayagraj. 2 days later, on the 29th of January, it would be Mauni Amavasya, a holy dip known as Amrit Snan on that day at the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Triveni Sangam is considered auspicious for washing away sins and the grant of moksha or salvation.
यहाँ के महत्व को समझने के लिए हमको वाहिक डुबकी लगाने से पहले अंदर डुबकी लगानी पड़ेगी। अंदर डुबकी आप लगाएंगे तब आपका ज्ञान, वैराग और भक्ति के रूप में संगम प्रकट होगा। ये संगम ही अनूठा, अंदर का जो संगम है ना, उसमें डुबकी लगाना बहुत जरूरी। तो आप जो भी यहाँ पधारें, बहुत अद्भुत अनूठा संयोग है। त्रिवेणी का संगम जिसमें गंगा, यमुना, सरस्वती तीनों का संगम, लेकिन अनूठा ये भक्त, भगवंत और गुरु इन तीनों का भी संगम है, जिन्हें संत भी कह सकते हैं। भक्त, भगवंत और संत इन तीनों का भी संगम।
This significant day of the new moon is called Mauni, originating from the Sanskrit word maun or silence. Many observe silence for this day for inner peace and solace. Mauni Amavasya, coinciding with Mahakumbh, is very auspicious for Hindus.
गंगा मैया को किया पाईचा कैसे होए तो ता भूला तीन नारायण चुका.
Most devotees would observe a day of silence and fasting. Pitru Tarpan or ancestral worshipping to seek their blessings would be followed by charity or daan for the needy. It would be observed as a day of salvation through self-reflection, remembrance of ancestors and charity.
आपको मालूम है कितना दूर और चलना?
पता नहीं भैया कितना चलता है।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
लेकिन फिर भी आनंद है।
आनंद है, पता ही नहीं चलता है रास्ता।
किस कामना से?
पता ही नहीं चल रही है कि क्या दुख, कितना दूर जाना है, कहाँ जाना है, चलते ही
कहाँ जाना है ये पता है।
हाँ, ये पता है, संगम जाना है।
The UP government is expecting 10 crore devotees for the Amrit Snan on the 29th of January. Officials have been instructed to ensure that devotees return from the same sector or zone in which they arrive, and under no circumstances will devotees be permitted to move to the Sangam nose or other zones. To ensure effective crowd control, key resources such as ropes, loudspeakers, whistles, flying squads and watchtower teams will be deployed to ensure 100% control on hard barriers and barricades. Mahakumbh Nagar, in preparation for the 29th of January Amrit Snan, has already been turned into a no-vehicular movement zone.
The number of devotees have surged since the weekend in anticipation of the Amrit Snan on Mauni Amavasya. It is expected that more than 10 crores of pilgrims and devotees will be coming here in the Sangam to take the holy dip, to take the Amrit Snan. Though administration have made full efforts to control the public from ends to ends and ensure proper security arrangements, not just around the ghats but also around the railway stations, because Mauni Amavasya is going to be a mega day for this particular Sanatan festival. With Sanjay Sharma, Samarth Srivastav reporting from Prayagraj, Mahakumbh Nagar, India Today.